Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Planning a fabulous party at home. You have come to the right place. In this video, we reveal everything you need to know about perfect party arrangements at home to impress your guests and create unforgettable memories. Whether it's a birthday bash, holiday gathering, anniversary celebration, or casual get together, our expert tips will help you organize a stunning event without stress. From DIY party decor to creative themes, delicious party food ideas, and smart budgeting tricks, we cover it all. Discover how to transform your living room, garden, or terrace into a stylish party venue. Here is how to choose the right color scheme, set up beautiful table arrangements, and add fun elements like photo booths and creative lighting to wow your guests. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more homes decor tips.